are pleased to show you 2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.